Hi, my name is Goldman. I'm an attorney with Goldman and Associates. Today we're going to discuss what happens when your divorce case goes to trial. Now, a divorce case that goes to trial is not like a civil or criminal case in that there is no jury. This is all being decided from the bench by the judge who has presided over the case throughout the whole life cycle of the divorce. That could be a good thing or a bad thing, right? If you made a horrible impression on the judge, you're up a creek. If you've shown good faith and you've managed to curry favor with the judge thinks you're acting as appropriately as you should, then that is going to be a good thing for that person to decide your case. But at any rate, the court is going to hear opening remarks from the attorneys. The court will then invite the attorneys to call witnesses. In many cases, the plaintiff who goes first might call the defendant as their first witness. In other words, you can get called by the other attorney in their case in chief, and you can be cross-examined on issues that might present a certain frailty in your arguments and in your case. In addition to calling the parties as witnesses, other people may be called to testify on other issues like valuation of property, collection of debts, any other issues that there may be in the case. Could be fault issues that might pertain to the division of assets and liabilities or alimony or those kind of things. Once all the proofs are in, the court will invite the attorneys to give closing remarks, and then the court could issue a written opinion. The court might issue opinion from the bench right then and there. The court could ask the attorneys to submit briefs or even submit proposed findings of fact or law. So sometimes the court does that, and very often, and clients complain about this, sometimes the case will be over. The court will say, okay, I'll issue a written opinion. That's it. Nobody knows what's going on. And then the court takes months to issue that written opinion. It's not the way it should be. The parties should have some finality, but I have to tell you, depending on which jurisdiction you're in, this could possibly happen, so you need to be prepared for that. If you've got a case coming up for trial, you may need assistance with that. There's a lot of procedures that have to do with preparing for trial and the admission of evidence and all that. If you have any questions, reach out, and of course, we'll be glad to help you out.